Okay, so it's okay to go ahead and get started, right? No, I need to tell them that I'm back. I gotta reintroduce myself. First, we're gonna reintroduce myself, and then I'll tell them back, and we'll cut to the video. Is that cool? Okay, let's go. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is E. You already know me. Okay, I'm sorry, that might be a little ratchet. Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. Wait, you know what? Let's do this. Let's start here. Welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine Michelle, and I am a certified personal finance coach, and I am here to offer you tips, tricks, and product reviews, anything that I can do that help you bridge the gap between your budget and your best life. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I started out one way and now I'm here. Started from the bottom, now we here, okay? And I want to help you reach that same level. So I hope that you'll join the community. There'll be a link down below for you guys to have the texting community, as well as hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button, because that's how YouTube knows that we have become friends and that you like my content, okay? Do all them things and you won't lose me. All right, so before we get started, you guys, I just wanted to say thank you for all of the feedback that I got. I was kind of in a creative block with my channel because I didn't really know where to go. After kind of like achieving these different things, I kind of got on a roadblock. I was like, do they really want to know like about my budgeting still? Like, I'm kind of doing the same thing. Some things are changing. Like, do they care? And you guys are like, look, sis, we care. We want the finances. We want the budgeting. Like, what's going on? This is cool, but we want this. This is what we came for. So I took a moment. I spoke with, I'm calling her my consultant now because it's literally what she is. But I spoke to someone who started with me from the beginning, ended up becoming my best friend and my consultant. And I got with her and I said, look, I am at a point where I don't know where I want to go with my channel. I'm not bored with it, but I want to make sure I'm providing good quality content. So we literally sat down and created like where I am and where I want to be. So if you go over to my actual website, you'll see a whole rebranding over there. And I know that I have good quality things to offer you guys, and I need to make sure that I give that. Limiting beliefs will have you out here like questioning yourself, but I promise you guys I'm back on track. And if I get off track, look, thank you guys for everyone who checked on me and was like, look, what's going on? I'm over on Instagram being silly anyway, but as far as like the content over here on YouTube, I wasn't really sure where to go, and now I got it. I'm a certified personal finance coach. Why am I not using that? Why am I telling everybody else what to do and I'm not doing it for myself? So anyways, long story short, I'm back and I'm better, okay? I got my things together, new wig, who this, okay? And I'm ready to give you guys the content you asked for. So Financial Fridays are coming back. We're gonna add in, of course, we're gonna do our budgeting and things like that. We're gonna incorporate some more of the financial mental mindset ideas and things that we need to adopt to make sure that we're putting ourselves on the right path. Again, this is where your budget meets your best life. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl.
Today's Financial Friday topic is taking charge of your finances. I want to give a huge shout out to Zenith, which is an online eyeglass wear retailer. Now, the reason I love using online because one, you save a lot of coin, and I definitely did with these frames. These are my prescriptions. You can get prescription glasses, you can get men's glasses, women's glasses, sunglasses, blue light glasses, progressive reading glasses. You can get them all right there on the website. And did I mention they're affordable? Listen, I'm all about saving money, okay? Because when I go to the eye doctor, I usually have to make a pimp decision whether I'm gonna get my contacts or I'm gonna get my eyeglasses. And I normally pick my contacts because they're more convenient than my glasses with all the things that I have to do. Don't nobody wanna be doing this and running, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, these glasses are amazing. The prescription matches exactly with how I need to see. I've worn these for several weeks. That's one of the things I did before I brought it to you. I wanted to make sure that these glasses didn't change, that nothing, you know, was weird or awkward in my vision, and these are spot on. All I did was go onto the website, I put my prescription in, and I was like, I want to pick a couple of pairs of frames, like a couple of glasses, because they had a bunch on sale, but I was like, let me try one first. Like, don't go crazy. I wanted to try one pair first to make sure that they worked. And you guys, I am waiting on my other ones to come in. I've placed my order for my next pair of frames. I absolutely love these glasses, and they fit your face. Like, you can try them on. They have the in style, you know, like very chic type glasses. And again, they have something for the whole family. Affordability is what I'm all about. Saving money, saving your coin. So thank you so much, Zenith, for sponsoring this video. We're talking about taking charge of your money, taking charge of your finances. This is really the starting point of how you get to that next level living. I think it's super important that you take time and really assess where you are. So I want to offer you guys some kind of like major keys to getting to that next level and taking charge of your money. So the first thing I want you to do is to be honest with yourself. Listen, it's your money. You're the one over your money. You're the one responsible for your money. So why aren't you taking charge of your money and being honest with where you are? I need you to go ahead and pull them reports, okay? Go and pull them credit reports. Make sure you're grabbing your finances, your bills. Really get and deep dive into where you are financially. You cannot go to that next level if you haven't done that. The second thing I want you to do is to give yourself a good and bad list. So what do you do well? What are you already doing that works for you, that you found something that like really like, when I do this, this works? I also want you to identify 3 things that you don't do well. So in your money, you maybe I overspend on eating out. Maybe I overspend here. Or maybe I don't look at my budget after I do my monthly budget. Whatever that looks like for you, I want you to write those down. And I want you to keep those at the forefront, because you're going to work on these and continue to elevate these skills that you already are doing well. And this is going to help you mesh that together to create your system. The next thing I want you to do is set goals. It is super important that you give yourself some benchmarks, that you're able to see your progress. I am all about setting mini goals, big goals, 6-month goals, 3-month goals, yearly goals, life goals. I'm all about setting those and then figuring out how I can achieve them. This helps me to be able to really like put forth a plan of action, because I know what I'm after. Whether it's saving money for a trip, or maybe you need to save money for your kids to go back to school, or to get a new car. Maybe you're going off to college and you're doing it on your own and you want to save money. This is where you are taking charge, because you're now putting it out there. You're writing the vision and you're making it plain. You're telling your money that you have something for it, that you understood the assignment and you are ready to take control of how to get there. All right, and the last thing I want you to do is to find a financial system that works for you. One of the things that I really enjoyed about this whole process of financial freedom was that I learned so many different things from so many different people, because I didn't just stay stuck on one. Now, I would love to be your financial guru who you go to for everything, but I would be remiss to say that you only use my process. That's not how this thing works. You have to figure out what works for you. I remember listening to Dave Ramsey, and there were things I was like, I don't go for that. Like, that doesn't fit my lifestyle. It doesn't fit where I want to be. And so I took that out of my process. Like, it didn't work for me. I'm not doing it. And that's how you continue to grow and how you continue to find the system that works for you. Now, I offer a budget planner over here on my website that you can get. You can get it in digital form. You can also purchase it in a physical form. You can do a printable form. I have it available for you. It's just a blank canvas of a budget layout that worked for me, that got me here. Again, it may not be what works for you, but this is a great starting point for figuring out what does. Maybe you need more paycheck items. Maybe you need more items for your cash envelopes and your sinking funds, or maybe you don't do those at all. Figure out the system that works for you. I highly recommend watching some other channels. I'll have them linked down below because I don't want to mess up nobody's name, but there are some amazing YouTubers here that offer real life, real experiences in regards to their finances, and I really want you to hone in on some of those details. You look at your gurus, you know, your professional people who are up at the top who have made this thing work. Look at some of their early work, because that was when they were really trying to figure out their system, and you can see how things change over time. Don't worry about thinking you have to, once you create this system, this is the only way you can do it. No, It should be evolving as you evolve. My budgeting process, my financial freedom journey has grown and adjusted as I took care of things, figured things out, moved things around, got to different levels. As everything started changing, I evolved with my budget. You become one with it. And that is how you take charge of your finances, taking charge of your money. Because guess what? It's your money. It's yours. It's you. You. It is your money. Take charge of it. Don't let nobody else tell you how to do your money. It's yours. Time out for playing around. It's time to take charge of your finances. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's Financial Friday video. I have more and more to come, and I can't wait to talk to you guys next Friday. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to head over to my website to purchase my budget planner, and head over to Zenith to get you a pair of these frames, honey. These glasses is giving life. I know I did. It's okay, okay? Make sure you do that, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. KK, bye!
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you do it.